In my research, when writing the poultry feed formulation guide and making the feed formulation software, which by the way you can check out in the first link in the description of this video, there is one thing I came to learn about making a cheap chicken feed. A principle that many farmers ignore and end up leaving lots of money on the table. The principle that I learned is your chicken feed cost is as cheap as the alternatives you can get. It sounds simple until you see how farmers in Asia are lowering the cost of production using just this one ingredient. And this ingredient is banana peels. If you have chickens and you are being stressed by feed costs and you can get your hands on banana peels, then stay with me because in this video, I'm going to show you the complete banana peel feed formula, the exact step-by-step preparation you can do today with no special equipment, and the precise inclusion rate to add in the feed for your chickens. But before you think this video is just another one of those on cutting feed costs, stay with me because I'll not only tell you how and where to get banana peels, but also at the end, I'll give you two alternative ingredients, one of which I'm sure you already have on the farm that can be used instead of banana peels. But before we even start talking about all these good things about banana peels to cut feed costs, I know some of you have used raw banana peels and the formula did not work. And that is why I'll give to you a secret Asian trick that many backyard chicken farmers in the United States, Canada, UK, South America, and even Africa have not tapped into when it comes to unlocking all the benefits of banana peels to backyard chickens. And if you are new here, I am Isaac, and this is Agribusiness Insider. We are almost at 250,000 farmers on this channel, and our mission is simple. We help farmers run a profitable organic poultry farm. Help us meet our 250,000 subscriber goal by hitting the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you are notified when we release another education video just like this one. Also, feel free to drop your location in the comments below and like the video. And now back to what we are talking about. With a lot to learn and unpack in this video, here is what you first need to understand. Bucket chickens, or what we call indigenous chickens, have one natural ability built right into their gut. They have the ability to digest almost anything they can put through their throat. Mind you, this is not the case for commercial broilers and layers, where they can be given banana peels at lower levels as a probiotic, and I will tell you why and how. The amount of banana peel that backyard chickens can take in makes it one of the best affordable and readily available ingredients to cut feed costs. And that is why we created a course for farmers who actually want to cut feed costs. With the poultry feed formulation course, you get 5 practical modules, an Excel-based software with 80 plus preloaded ingredients that instantly generates balanced feed formulas for your flock. And also you get an 8 step-by-step video tutorials so you never get stuck. So for limited time, check out the 15% discount link in the description below to get lifetime access to the course and the whole software and get extra free consultations. Before I tell you the secret Asian trick that will unlock this banana peel formula, here is the truth that the commercial feed industry won't speak out loudly. Their aim is to keep you dependent on feeds. And I'm not saying you shouldn't buy commercial feeds. What I'm saying is, as a backyard chicken farmer, you can take advantage of the ability in the gut of your chicken and use other ingredients together with commercial feeds to bring down the amount of feed you buy. In today's banana peel formula, we will use some commercial feeds to make our full feed ration. The upper hand that you have as a backyard chicken farmer is that you have access to a free feed ingredient that is sitting in every food market, every roadside banana selling stall, and most farmers are walking past it every single day. What you just need to do is be intentional and make a deal with banana sellers and food market dealers to put together the right banana peels for you to collect them. Now, before I give you the formula for making the banana peel mix, the secret Asian farmers use to unlock all the good stuff in banana peels is the deep sugar-induced fermentation. For you to understand why they do this, you have to understand one thing: why raw banana peel alone are not enough. Raw ripe banana peel has a real nutritional profile. It contains energy, minerals, crude protein, calcium, and phosphorus. On paper, it looks useful, but raw peel has two serious problems that make it dangerous to use in our formula without fermenting it. The first problem is high crude fiber. Raw banana peels can contain nearly 19% crude fiber, which even the tough bucket chicken can find it hard to digest. It also suppresses feed intake and reduces the absorption of everything else your body is eating alongside it. The second problem is tannins. These are anti-nutritional compounds that bind to proteins and minerals inside the gut and physically prevent your bird from absorbing them. But now, sugar fermentation removes both problems simultaneously, and this is where the Asian farmers have become experts in using the banana peel formula. The fermentation process, driven by the lactic acid bacteria, also produces organic acids that lower the pH of the peel, suppress spoilage organisms, and generate probiotic fiber compounds that actively support gut health and immunity in your birds from the first feeding. In plain language, fermentation transforms banana peel from a problematic fiber-heavy ingredient into a genuinely high-value, gut-friendly, bioavailable feed ingredient, and you can do it on your farm today. Before I give you the formula, let me show you exactly what this does inside your birds, the specific benefits and the biological mechanisms behind each one. The first benefit for your bucket meat birds is that it goes straight to the weight gain and FCR numbers that determine whether you make a profit cycle or not. Multiple trials on native and crossbred native chickens confirm that 5 to 10% inclusion of the fermented banana peel in grower feed maintains the production and in many cases improves both body weight and feed intake compared to birds on standard grain rations only. And this is because the banana peel formula helps more nutrients to be absorbed per gram of feed, leading to a better feed conversion ratio. A better FCR means you are spending less money per kilogram of feed, getting those backyard meat birds to slaughter weight faster and sooner. Research on birds fed fermented banana byproducts shows improved carcass yield and better meat quality, including more favorable fatty acid profiles driven by the natural carotenoids and antioxidants present in the banana tissue. For backyard layer hens, the first benefit is sustained, consistent egg production. And studies have already proven this, that fed on the fermented banana peel formula at rates of 3 to 10% continue to lay without any negative effect. For backyard layers, this amount is comfortably achieved without disrupting laying cycles. The second benefit is eggshell quality. Banana peel contains meaningful levels of calcium and phosphorus, the two main minerals most directly involved in eggshell formation. Research on banana peel supplementation in laying birds reported measurable improvements in eggshell weight and eggshell thickness at 2.5 to 7% inclusion rates in their feed. Thicker, harder shells means fewer cracked eggs on the trays, and fewer cracked eggs means fewer losses per cycle. The third benefit is yolk color, and this one affects your selling price from the very first week you introduce it. Banana tissue contains natural carotenoid pigments. These are the same class of compounds responsible for the deep orange yolk color that consumers across associate with quality, nutrition, and genuine free-range production. When your indigenous layers consume fermented feed peel regularly, carotenoids are absorbed through the gut and deposited directly into the developing egg yolk, deepening its color noticeably over 2 to 3 weeks. Now, how do we prepare the banana peel formula? Now, to make sure I don't miss out on something, and as most of you have been asking about written formulas to the recipes I give in these videos, here is a well-detailed procedure that is easy to understand and one that you can pause the video and take it down, or even take a screenshot and keep it for use and reference in the future. I will also attach a file to the formula in the description of this video so that it is easy for you to download into your phone or into the device you're using and make a reference later as you prepare this feed. After making this banana peel formula, you're going to mix it with the feeds, and for the inclusion rates or dosages in feed, make sure to follow this carefully because more is never automatically better. For your backyard meat birds, in the grow phase, that is from weeks 8 to 18, start at 10% fermented peel inclusion in their total ration. In practical terms, that means 10 kilograms of fermented peel per 100 kilograms of total feed. That means in 10 kilograms of feed, if that is what you feed daily, you're going to use 1 kilogram of fermented banana peels. And for your backyard layer chickens, you're going to feed them at a rate of 5 to 10% fermented peel. For the two alternative ingredients I promised, one of them is the banana tree stem, and the second one is the water hyacinth. These two has the same benefits as banana peels, but the method of making them is quite different and are out of scope of this video. And because I wanted this video to be as short as possible, I have made a complete video for the banana stem formula preparation, which will be coming in a few days on this channel. Therefore, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when that video releases. And if this video gave you value, remember we have an organic poultry farming ebook covering over 45 natural feed supplements and treatments with exact dosages, step-by-step preparation, which you can get through the link in the description. Click the next video where I show you another free feed formula that works alongside Bison to cut costs even further. Click it and I will see you there.